What's up, guys? Coming at you 2 months later. Just kidding, kinda, not really. I have a video, but I've been trying to upload it for like 3 weeks, and I don't know why, but it's not working. Like every day I have to go in there and click upload, upload, upload. Never works. But we are headed to the lake right now. It is May 4th. So the fish were kind of spawning. People were catching them on bobbers and still are, but it's just males, no females. Me and Bailey caught 30 last weekend on Sunday, but it took all day. It was a grind. And we didn't really catch any big ones until we started spider rigging in a foot of water. So, good on that. I'll probably link in a picture right here. My boat broken. What's new? Some things never change. So, we are fishing with my mother and stepfather, Danny, tomorrow morning. Staying at the camper. And I don't think I'm going to fish tomorrow. Just videos it. What do you think about that?
I don't believe that.
It's happening. Mom and Danny's episode. I think I'm just going to like ask them a ton of questions and stick a camera in their face and make my mom wear a chesty. I think that'd be funny. So, I don't know if Bailey is fishing or not this weekend. I have not talked to him. Not sure what the plans for Sunday are. Probably fishing of some sort somewhere. Wow, the screen is pitch black. Ah, there we go. I was thinking about doing a 1v1 spider rigging with somebody. 4 poles versus my 4 poles. Tie however you want, whatever rig you want to tie. We'll just put different baits, different jig heads. Janko just came out with a kind of like weird wobble minnow head. It's kind of just a plastic, I don't know, it's got like a crank tongue on it, if you would. We are almost to the lake, so we're probably gonna peace out.
You want me to wipe that seat off first?
Why?
It's wet as hell.
So, give me some basics. What's the date?
5-5.
Mom?
The day you get thrown into Truman Lake.
I need the day, temperature, high temp for the day, water temperature.
Cinco de Mayo.
What
I
time?
don't know the temperature.
What time is it?
6:30 a.m.
Where are we?
Bucksaw.
Where's that?
Tightwad, Missouri.
What lake?
The Truman.
Good job.
What's the temperature?
I have no clue. You gonna catch some fish today?
Last night.
And then
64.3.
Oh, spawn's on.
No wind, which is a definite plus. Hey, what's up?
what do we got over there on the power pole?
I can't see that far.
Your face looks really good in this camera right now because of the sunlight. America.
America.
Look at it.
Man, that water had to have dropped a foot since last weekend. yeah.
Alright. A little coffee here. I just caught a.
Look at Kylie.
Yay! Look at that, huh?
What are we doing?
Trying to get this hook out. There we go.
How'd you catch it?
Just reeling it in. Off the bank.
You go hang out with that fat mama in there.
Attaboy. Deeper, ain't they? Wallowed it. Look at that.
Oh,
How do you? How?
choked.
That was
Yeet.
like your first fucking cat.
Tyler,
Were you
let me see it.
videoing?
You got some pliers?
Yeah.
This baby is deep. Actually,
It's a nice fish. Oh yeah. Give that thing a little whirl. Them old fishies will like that.
He pulled a Logan.
Look. He's a fishing sensation. Look at that guy. Oh no, you just jacked it up.
You always have to have a blooper reel.
Oh, this is a definite blooper. Aye. There he goes. Oh, Kylie. That a girl. Look at that. Look at that girl. Look at her.
Good job, Kylie.
Dang.
Flip that
What'd you
baby.
catch that on?
Flip that.
Kylie, hold that up. What'd you catch that on?
Wyatt's Blue Magic.
Good job, kid. We.
Told you they like it. Ooh, look at that girl go.
Holy crap, Kylie.
Look at that.
Going to Tyler and jigging it.
You was?
Hold on. Turn around.
Kylie, what'd you catch that on?
Wyatt's Blue Magic.
Hold that bad boy up right there. Hold up to the side.
Let me
Yeah, I do what Tyler did. Oh, okay.
You got one too, Jen.
I was doing.
Look at that. Here.
right behind you. Were you pulling?
Dang, look at
I
that.
was doing a Tyler too.
What'd you catch that on, Jen?
Why it's Blue Magic.
Whoa, hold that thing up. On, Jen.
Why it's Blue Magic.
Whoa.
These
hold that
girls
thing
out
up.
here.
Girl's got a double. Hold that thing up. Yeah.
Kylie, hold yours a little to the left. Yours is more of a no, the other left.
Oh, that's fine.
Here, let on Kylie's fish. Hold it to the right. To the right. Dump them in, girls.
Yeah, girl.
Really?
High five.
Jennifer said, look, I'm doing what Tyler said. Oh, I got a fish now. The little pockets this time of year is where you want to be. I don't care. I've caught them in like little 2-foot pockets you couldn't barely fit a freaking tent in. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Thumped it right by that stump. Holy shit! Did you see that?
I did not.
Did you see it? That was a monster.
Yeah, your camera got it.
That was a monster.
The camera was rolling.
I know, that's what I'm saying.
That scared the shit out of me. now he's a coon hunter.
Oh, look.
That is a nice layer.
Hanging it on the bottom.
Look at his black fins.
Ooh wee, that's a pretty top.
Oh, you can't see it because of the sun. Painted.
This is my favorite.
Yeehaw. That's it. Choked. Choked it.
There you go.
Day's over. Well, not yet. Morning session. Check. Look at all these boats. Oh. Another.
Cody B's parents.
Hey, what's up, Amanda and Brad? Sorry, Brad. Mind blank. I hope the audio turns out. Doubt it.